Welcome to Eoiin Connect. This is your finance screen. You can get here anytime by clicking the three horizontal lines on the top left of your screen in a project, and then selecting Finance. To add an expense, click Add. Enter the account, the forecasted amount, and the date it will be paid. Once it's paid, return to the expense and enter the actual amount. Add a document by clicking on the paperclip icon. Send a notification to a team member by leaving a comment with the @ symbol followed by the team member's name. Finances can be viewed in a table or graph view. For a graph view, select Options and click Toggle Graph View. Within the graph view, you can adjust the data being presented and the reporting periods, with the figures reflected both on the graph and below. Back in table view, you can also filter the finances by selecting Options and click Finance Filter. Here you can filter by date range and finance type. To export a spreadsheet of your finances, select Options and click Export. Eoiin Connect. Organize your projects, connect your team, manage your work, grow your business.